Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I probably sound like a dead rat. I woke up like an hour ago, but honestly, when do I not sound like a dead rat in any of my videos? So yeah, I need to take this out of my hair, hold on. But like, today we're gonna be doing some trading, and I have a small gift opening to do, I suppose. I said I may gift back to some that I like, so yeah. But we might as well do that now, really. Oh, this is the treat I wanted. Okay, so this isn't actually, yeah, she can't have buddies. Oh, by the way, I got an autograph from the Shop King. Yes, boys, I wonder if, no. Okay. I'm sorry I'm not allowed to have buddies, I have to unbuddy you. Yeah, she had to unbuddy me. But she gave me a rare flower bracelet, so, you know, thank you for that. I probably should have kept that, but whatever. Thank you, Natbat. Natbat's one of my friends. I think you can get that in the calendar, I'm not sure. Freedom hat. I don't think that's good enough to give back. Sorry, Sonic Fox. Wow, a necklace. I didn't close my eyes because I knew that they weren't going to give me a spike, but, you know, thanks. Sure, keep it. I don't actually know what to play this game, but oh well. Wow, a turkey hat. Oh my god, I really needed that. Okay, so these were from a trade. Raz for diamond spikes, even though I know they're worth 10 betas, but like, she's my friend and I couldn't care less. Oh yeah, she gave me a rare ninja mask. I really needed that actually. They're just all rares because, I don't know, they just are. Also, I think I'm sick, but, you know. Oh yeah, the upside down Jabalde tree. I should have used that in my demo. Like, sorry if you don't like it, I don't know you that well. And they gave me a royal tiara, so, you know. It's not like a clothing beta or anything, it's, you know, a pumpkin head. I think you can buy that in the stores, but okay. I'll take it, I mean, may the power of, I don't know what that's worth, hold on. I need to go on to Animal Jam worth. Mirror collection. So what's the feather worth then? Mirror's feather. That had to was a thing, but I can't find anything, so I'm still not sure what it's worth, but oh well, I suppose, whatever. I'll keep it anyway, but I think you could probably get it from one of the adventures. And I like that one, may the power of mirror be with you. And I'm wondering, Happy New Year. Sports jersey. Can you buy that in stores? Reed and Rocketel rings. Oh, I've got some Rocketel rings. Wow, rare gardening. Okay. not going to do some trading. I mean, I don't know, yeah, let's go ahead. Oh, he's online. I'm just gonna message her and say I'm recording. There's just gonna be a lot of clicks. Hold on, I'll pause until I get in. Okay, so I gave up on that idea, and Lexi messaged me, can I come to you? So, I suppose we're just gonna wait for her, or I don't know. I think she's in the Jamar Township, but I'm not sure. Nah. I might as well just do some trading here. I mean, why not? I'll just put some stuff on trade. I don't know. Just some, like, things. Oops. What is a fluffy fox head worth? A den beta. Okay. That's cool. Yeah. So I'm just gonna put on some diamond spikes as well. I don't know. I'm gonna end the video soon, but I'll just do a couple of trades. This probably isn't very entertaining, but whatever. I don't think I really have anything else, but like. Oh, that's worth a den beta. Some of those aren't worth den betas, but you know. He messaged me on my wall. Bubbles, Powerpuff Girls. What did she say? I knew she said something, but I had to go. Just ran downstairs. Oh, okay. Hit or miss. No, I already have that one, and it's worth a den beta, so. I'm just gonna be saying this, and yeah. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the boring video. So yeah, I'm back, I suppose. I probably won't be making videos that often, but you know I'm here, so bye!